Right, welcome to Monday. We've got wiring in there, got a fuse box in there, we've got a relatively happy space in here. Right, yesterday was alright, Sunday was alright, but today's day 22 of the build, 41 days to go, so that looks like a third or something like that, third the way there, not bad. 9th of October. We had like a change of scenery yesterday, because what I wanted to do, the reason for getting the engine bay painted now, was so we could get the fuse box in and get the wiring loom in and just start, you know, doing things in parallel. You know, without that stage starting, it's very difficult to sort of, you know, do alternative things other than just body work, and I didn't want to get to the stage where the body work's all done and all of a sudden I've got to start thinking about electricals and mechanicals and so on. So by getting the wiring loom in, I can now, you know, progress things. We tried to do some engine loom stuff yesterday and we couldn't get the plugs off the new loom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go see an ECU shop, and they're going to change from the 2-wire plugs on the Motorsport Electronics loom to the 3-wire plugs on the old Mazda loom, so that we can use the cam and crank sensors. We had a result with, I think a result with the throttle body, with a you know, butterfly, because I've got an old BMW engine around the corner here, an old race engine I had, old 6-cylinder down there, M52 lump from a 328 I think it is. It's got a 65mm throttle on it, which is there. It was a bit crusty, and we've cleaned it up a bit. I put it in the ultrasonic bath. There's the ultrasonic bath. Everything is going in there now. Oh bugger! Drop me butts, drop me nuts. Not the first time. But the thing about this is, okay, we've got a 65mm diameter butterfly. By putting it on, it's got the right direction for the pull, the way that the throttle cable will run, and it's got the right TPS on it. So we're down on TPS now. So actually I should update the board, because TPS was there. So as far as intake air temperature, funnily enough, right next to that in the plenum on the BMW engine was a IAT, intake air temperature sensor. So we have one now. So IAT is a yes, coolant was a yes, TPS, we've now got that. Map sensor we're still missing. Injectors VVT, cam and crank is down to changing the wiring, so we need to go and see a guide to change the plugs. Wideband lambda's okay, and the coil loom is going to come hopefully from Motorsport Electronics in the UK. So that was good progress on there, apart from obviously we couldn't change the plugs ourselves, and the loom is now inside the car. Now that, oh, my mate Alex spent a good solid 4, 5, 6 hours repairing rat-chewed wiring. So there was lots of, let's see if I can find an example. That's one, not one that we did. Sorry for the funny cat. Here we go. That's all. That was all rat-chewed. It's all gone like really funky. There's a plug missing there. We're not sure which one it is, but that's all good to go. And there's 3 or 4 other areas in here that had to be repaired. These are like plugs that go to the doors, the electric windows and electric mirrors and whatnot. But they're all done now. So that was good progress. And it was a change of scenery. So I got a change of scenery. I didn't mention before, but the engine doesn't have an air compressor on it for the air conditioning. I bought the engine second hand, and somebody had already robbed the air compressor off it. Now we checked with Mazda to find a new one, and it's about nearly 500 quid, whatever that is in dollars, $500, which is a bit of a gulp, and I can't find a second-hand one. But I've ordered one, and it should be here today, this afternoon. My mate Ern, thank you very much, has sourced it for me, and it's about probably, well, about 170, 180 quid, $200, something like that. So I've got the air compressor, the belt, that's coming today, and probably an engine oil filter as well, coming today. So these things are like half ticks. What I'm sort of doing here is like put loom in, has got like half a tick, it's not a complete tick, it's sort of in. Engine bay's got a full tick. They've got full ticks and they shouldn't have. Whoops, not to worry. Never mind, okay. What we got done yesterday as well was I welded up the engine mounts. So the engine mounts and cross member literally have just gone down to the post office, and they're getting sent out to the powder coaters. So good few little alternative things went on yesterday. Now today I've got to get on with this door. So let's put the welder away, clean my workspace, and get on with back to sanding and filling the doors. Hopefully I have a bit more energy for doing it, and it's all good. So as always, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, comment, and you know, we'll see you on the next one. See you tomorrow. Cheers for now.